Ford 1.5 liter. I'm going to show you guys how to change your engine air filter and the cabin filter. Very simple and easy to do. Save yourself a good $100 so you don't have to go to the dealer. So you take this little strap here, pop that, pop this, and that's it. And then what you want to do here is you want to pull on this. You see these two little notches on the side? You're going to pull forward on these, both of these. Really easy. There you go, just like that. Then just let your filter housing sit right here. Make sure you don't yank too much on this line. And let's take off this filter right here. It's probably super dirty. Yup, look at that. You're gonna burn the gas. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our new filter. We're gonna put this new filter in there. It's gonna sit in this direction, just like that, the same way we pulled off. And you put this in there just like that. It's gonna sit properly. Make sure the seal's good. You take this baby, you stick it right in there into the two slots. This goes in. Push this down. Put this retainer on. Okay, this one's a little tough little guy. Down. Close this little guy, and you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Push down on it, and it should snap right in. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go inside. And there's the part number right there. Change this baby every 15,000 miles. Don't do this. This is filthy. Got original filter, and we're gonna go inside behind the glove box and change your cabin filter. Very simple and easy. Open your glove box. There's gonna be so much stuff back here. That's fine. Let's take off all this. And what we're gonna do here is this little slot. Okay. Let's see if this baby comes off. There you go. Just push back at it. If it's like that, just push down backward. Squeeze here. Squeeze here. Let's see what this filter look like. Okay. So you have to pass this from there. Inside here, we have your filter housing. You're gonna push on these two tabs on each side, and it's showing you airflow is down. So we're gonna follow that arrow. We're gonna grab this filter. Very simple and easy. So this filter is where all the air goes through for your AC and heat. Okay, we got our new filter. We're gonna follow the sign. See the airflow sign? We're gonna put that facing down. Very simple and easy. Same way. It's only gonna fit one way, okay? And the hard edges are on the sides. And you take this baby, stick it in there, and then you take your cover, and it should snap right in. Bada bing, bada boom. Push that up. Take this baby, pull down on it. So just try to grab that little hook, pull forward. Your glove box should come down easy. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye. Filter every 15,000 miles, so that's like 3 oil changes if you're doing a. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.